Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Archaeologic. So today we have an interesting question, and the question is x square minus 1 is equals to square root of x plus 1. Can we find the value of x? So try to solve this question yourself. Okay, let's see the solution. Here solution will be, first of all, write down the given part. We have x square minus 1 is equals to square root of x plus 1. So what we can do, we can square on both sides. When we square on both sides, so this square root will cancel out and we will have x square minus 1 whole square is equals to x plus 1. And we know that x square minus 1 can be written as x plus 1 and x minus 1, and whole power is 2, which is equals to x plus 1. Now by distributing this power, we can write it as x plus 1 power 2 into x minus 1 power 2, which is equals to x plus 1. Correct? Now taking this x plus 1 to LHS side, so we will have x plus 1 whole square x minus 1 whole square minus of x plus 1 is equals to 0. Correct? And now we can take x plus 1 as a common term. So we will have x plus 1 as a common term, and rest term will be x plus 1 and x minus 1 square minus 1 is equals to 0. Correct? And now x plus 1 is equals to 0, and this whole value x plus 1 into x minus 1 square minus 1 is equals to 0, because this multiply this is equals to 0. That means this is one factor, this whole value is another factor, and product of two factors is 0. That means maybe x plus 1 is 0, or maybe x plus 1 x minus 1 square minus 1 is equals to 0, or maybe both 0. So from this part, value of x is equals to minus 1. So this is maybe one solution, or from this part we can simplify it further. So we will have x plus 1, and now expanding this part we have x square plus 1 minus 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. And now when we multiply x by this whole part, we will have x cube plus x minus 2x square, and with multiplication of this whole part by 1, we have plus x square plus 1 minus 2x, and this minus 1 is here, is equals to 0. And then from this and this we will have x cube minus x, and from this part and this part we will have minus x square, and this one will be cancelled out, which is equals to 0. So finally we have, by taking x as common, so we have x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. So this is again a factor of two values. This is again a product of two factors. That means x is equals to 0 and x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. That means x will be equal to minus of minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 divide by 2. So x will be equal to 1 plus minus square root of, when we simplify this part, this will be equal to 5 divided by 2. So this is another answer. So clearly what we have in question, we have x square minus 1 is equals to square root of x plus 1. So when we put x equals 0, this will be at x equals 0, this will be 0 square minus 1 equal square root of 0 plus 1. So this is equals to minus 1 equal square root of 0 plus 1 is 1, which is false, not true. That means x equals 0 is not an answer. And when we put x equal this value minus 1, at x equal minus 1, we will have minus 1 square minus 1 is equals to square root of minus 1 plus 1, and this is eventually 0 and this is again 0. So it satisfies the solution, so minus 1 is an answer. This is the solution, and this implies x is equals to minus 1 and 1 plus minus square root of 5 divided by 2. So this is the all possible solution of this equation. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Bye bye.